All the way to the top, boss man. 10 steps.
Finish it strong. It ain't nothing.
10 steps, there you go.
September 11, 2001, I remember waking up at my father's house. The phone was ringing off the hook. I picked up the phone. It was my sister-in-law frantically looking for my brother, who was actually coming in from an international flight and was unable to get a hold of him. We didn't have TV at the time, so it was kind of shocking to hear from my hysterical sister that the World Trade Center had been hit by a plane and then another plane.
I feel almost embarrassed to say that as I heard about the event over the radio and then watching it on TV, I was overcome with fear, and that fear soon turned into a lot of questioning. Today we're honoring the men and women that lost their lives on September 11th, 2001. We're doing this through what's known as a stair climb, and that's representative of the stairs that were ascended in the World Trade Center on that fateful day.
There was 2,007 steps in one tower of the World Trade Center. We took 2,007 steps today in their honor.
This is not fun for anybody. It's a lot of hard work, but you go through there and you grind through every step, just constantly thinking about the people that did that just as a job. Like, this was just a normal day on the job for them.
You know, those men just went upstairs just like we did, up, 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 with just that single thought of rescue.
Their families keep going. You know, they had a life to live. So it's been several years now, but we want to make sure that we keep their spirit alive. It energizes us. It's an honor for us to be out here. It's tough. It's not
When things get tough and every step is just your legs are cement, what pushes us through is the guy in front of you and the guy behind you. Everybody suffers through it the same way.
Right here, good place.
You get a sense of adrenaline coming through your body because your body's just gone through, 2,007 steps, and you'll see some people that aren't used to working out this hard, so you'll get other people that have already finished getting their stuff back on, and they'll finish together as a team, and that's really what it's about. It's bringing that whole family together.
Johnson, power stance. You get a picture of that one flag?
Absolutely.